Imagine a universe where every choice you've ever made splits reality into a new version of itself. In one, you're watching this video. In another, you're not. Welcome to the mind-bending world of parallel universes, where the laws of physics may allow infinite possibilities. But is there any truth behind this? Could parallel universes really exist? First, let's talk about quantum mechanics, a branch of physics that describes the behavior of the tiniest particles in the universe. One of the most bizarre ideas in quantum mechanics is the many worlds interpretation. But what does that mean? When scientists look at quantum particles, they don't behave like objects in our everyday world. Instead of one specific outcome, like a coin landing heads or tails, quantum particles can exist in multiple states at the same time. This is called superposition. But when we observe them, we see only one outcome. According to the many worlds interpretation, all possible outcomes happen, just in different parallel universes. Think of it like this. Every time you make a decision, like whether to turn left or right, the universe splits. In one version, you turn left. In another, you turn right. Each choice creates a new universe. The possibilities are endless. Now let's zoom out from quantum particles to the entire cosmos. Another theory that could point to parallel universes comes from something called cosmic inflation. This theory explains how, right after the Big Bang, our universe expanded incredibly fast in a fraction of a second. Some scientists believe this rapid expansion might not have been limited to just our universe. Imagine the universe like a series of bubbles, each one containing a different universe. These are called bubble universes, and each bubble could have its own set of physical laws and constants. While these universes might be completely separate, they could exist alongside our own, hidden from view. This idea comes from inflation theory and offers an exciting possibility that there could be countless other universes just as real as our own. Next, we dive into the strange world of string theory, which suggests that everything in the universe is made of tiny, vibrating strings. But what does this have to do with parallel universes? String theory doesn't just describe the universe we see. It requires the existence of more dimensions than the three we're familiar with. In fact, string theory predicts the existence of up to 11 dimensions. Some physicists believe that these extra dimensions could hide entire universes from us. If these extra dimensions exist, there could be entire universes operating within them, completely invisible to us. We live in 3 dimensions, but what if parallel universes are just beyond our perception, hiding in higher dimensions? Another fascinating idea from string theory is the concept of brain cosmology. According to this theory, our universe exists on a giant membrane, or brain, floating in a higher dimensional space. In this model, there could be other brains, other universes, parallel to ours. These brains could be just a fraction of a millimeter away, but since they exist in higher dimensions, we can't interact with them. If these parallel universes are real, they could be very similar to ours, or they could be entirely different, governed by different physical laws. So, if these theories suggest the existence of parallel universes, is there any way to prove they exist? Some scientists think that if 2 bubble universes were to collide, we might see the effects in our universe, perhaps in the form of unusual cosmic radiation or distortions in space. Others suggest that quantum experiments might eventually show evidence of many worlds. However, for now, these ideas remain largely speculative. Parallel universes might sound like science fiction, but they're rooted in real scientific theories. From the bizarre world of quantum mechanics to the vast reaches of cosmic inflation and the hidden dimensions of string theory, the possibility of parallel universes is one of the greatest mysteries of modern science. Will we ever prove that parallel universes exist? The truth is, we don't know. But the idea that there could be other versions of ourselves living in other universes is enough to keep scientists and our imaginations searching for answers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-bending mysteries.